In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a profile picture on Facebook in 2026, step by step. If you want to delete your current Facebook profile photo and keep your profile looking updated, this process is very simple once you know where to tap. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your phone without any confusion. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device and signing in to your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're fully logged in so you can access your profile settings and photo options. Once you're inside the app, tap your profile picture or your name to open your profile page. This takes you to the section where your personal information, posts, and profile images are managed. After your profile opens, tap your current profile picture. This is the photo that is currently displayed on your account. When you tap it, Facebook will show you more options related to that image. Next, choose the option that says View Profile Picture. This opens the full version of the image so you can manage it directly. If you don't see it immediately, just look carefully through the available menu options on the screen. Once the profile picture is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner. This is the More Options menu, and it usually contains actions related to the photo, such as editing, sharing, or deleting. From that menu, tap Delete Photo. This is the option that permanently removes that picture from your Facebook account. Before selecting it, it's a good idea to make sure you're deleting the correct image, especially if you've changed profile pictures multiple times and are viewing one from your photo history. After that, Facebook will usually ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Delete again when prompted. This final confirmation is important because once the photo is removed, you may not be able to easily restore it unless you have a copy saved somewhere else. That's it. Your profile picture will be deleted after you confirm the action. Keep in mind that Facebook's layout can sometimes change slightly with app updates, but the overall process is usually very similar. Open your profile, tap the picture, open the menu, and delete the photo. If you're following along and something looks a little different on your screen, don't worry, just look for the same general options and wording inside the photo menu. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you remove your Facebook profile picture quickly and easily.